This is 2025. The South African police told me they do not know how he looks. They do not have a photograph. It took me 2 minutes, and I'm an old man. I'm not computer literate that much. Yes, I can work with the stuff in the social media, like YouTube. I'm making this channel. Now, it took me 2 minutes on Google to send them 4 photographs. I mean, come on, they are the South African police. It's their jobs. Now, you can see my frustration. I'm at a point of just laughing about all of this. Now, I couldn't fathom that at all, man. Now, and they said, no, this guy's now really in China, and that's where we are. Now, his dad said that we can, by all means, come and get our car. Now,